Today I connect with Mike, delighted to welcome a new guest to Midday with Mike, Christy Williams. She's the owner of Walkie Doggie and Pet Sitter Company. Christy, nice to have you with us. Your company's about 2 years old, right? Tell us about I love the title. How did this come about?
Well, thank you. It started 2 years ago just out of a need that we had as a family, finding a great place of what to do with our animals when we were gone, and we had experienced boarding our animals, and they just had not done really well with that. And you always have family and friends that you would like to ask to come, and I find a lot of times they're saying yes, but inside their head they're saying,
why?
"Oh, really? Okay."
I wish they hadn't asked.
Yeah. So it just came out of a need that we had and other people had as well.
And it's not just dogs, isn't it, right?
Right. No, we are a in-home pet sitting company. So we come to the owner's home and take care of whatever pets they have. It might be dogs, cats, aquariums. We've had chickens, rats, ferrets, you kind of name it. And we come to their home and offer that personalized care that they want their animals to continue to have in their own environment.
So somebody goes on vacation, they say, hey, would you take care of the dog or cat or whatever, and you set up a schedule, and if they want you to come 4 times a day, you come.
Absolutely. We do not charge per animal, we charge by our time. So a lot of times we are much more affordable than, say, a boarding facility, but we can come as few times a day, we can come as many times a day. Our basic time starts at 30 minutes, but we can spend longer, we can spend an hour, we can spend an hour and a half. And for those families that do not want to leave their pets overnight, we actually will come and stay the night in their home and be right there with whoever's left behind.
Wow. A lot of people have boarded their pets,
Yes.
or as opposed to having pet sitting. Pros and cons, what
Right.
versus one or the other? What's your take on it?
Right. Well, I think first of all, there's some excellent boarding facilities in this area, and there are pros for those animals who, especially for dogs that maybe are just the single dog, the only dog child at home, and they do well getting around other dogs. Or if there is an extensive medical issue that maybe your veterinary clinic offers boarding, and you're working closely with your vet to keep tabs on that medical issue. But for the majority of family pet owners, it is a lot better to keep their pet in their own environment.
Absolutely.
Because it's just less stressful for the pet. You don't have to worry about the possibility of them being around another sick animal. Like I said, it's cost effective, and it's just plain convenience, because we come to them, we do everything. The owner doesn't have to do a thing.
Hey, don't go away. We got more to talk to or to talk about with Christy Williams, again, owner of Walkie Doggie Pet Sitter Company. We're back in just a moment.